The cosmos beckons us with its grandeur, yet there's another universe just as profound. It lies within. This is the universe of consciousness, a realm of thoughts, emotions, and experiences. We've gazed at distant galaxies, unraveled the secrets of DNA, but consciousness remains one of the greatest mysteries. Science seeks to understand the physical world. It probes the building blocks of reality. Spirituality, on the other hand, seeks inner truth. It explores our place in the cosmos. These two paths, often seen as separate, may converge in the realm of consciousness. Could the key to unlocking the secrets of the mind lie in the strange world of quantum mechanics? This question has captivated scientists and mystics for centuries. It leads us on a journey into the heart of existence. We begin to explore the profound connection between consciousness and the quantum realm. The human brain is a marvel of complexity. It's a network of billions of neurons. Each neuron fires electrical and chemical signals. These intricate dances give rise to our thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. But how does this biological machinery generate subjective experience? The feeling of what it's like to be. This is the hard problem of consciousness. Defining consciousness is like trying to grasp a handful of mist. It's an elusive concept. It slips through our fingers just when we think we have a hold of it. Philosophers have grappled with this enigma for millennia. There are countless definitions, each with its own merits and limitations. Some define consciousness as the ability to experience the world subjectively. It is about having feelings, sensations, and thoughts. Others view it as the capacity for self-awareness, to know that you exist as an individual separate from the rest of the universe. And then there are those who equate consciousness with the ability to process information and respond to stimuli. From a scientific perspective, consciousness is often seen as an emergent property of the brain. It's like the way wetness emerges from the interaction of water molecules. But this explanation doesn't fully address the subjective, qualitative nature of experience. It doesn't explain what it's like to see the color red or feel the warmth of the sun. In the early 20th century, a revolution shook the foundations of physics. Quantum mechanics emerged. It unveiled a reality stranger than anything we had imagined. The subatomic world, it turned out, danced to a different tune than the familiar world of our everyday experience. One of the most bizarre aspects of quantum mechanics is superposition. This concept states that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. It's neither heads nor tails until it lands. Similarly, an electron can be in multiple states at once until we measure it. Another mind-boggling phenomenon is entanglement. This occurs when two particles become linked. They share the same fate no matter how far apart they are. Imagine two coins flipped at the same time, always landing on the same side, even if one is on Earth and the other on Mars. These quantum quirks challenge our classical notions of reality. They suggest that the act of observation might play a fundamental role in shaping the universe. Could it be that consciousness is somehow intertwined with the fabric of reality at the quantum level? Section 4. When consciousness meets quantum, a dance of possibilities. The idea that consciousness might influence quantum phenomena is not new. It has been around for decades, sparking heated debates among physicists and philosophers. One of the most famous proponents of this idea was the physicist Eugene Wigner. He proposed that consciousness was necessary to collapse the wave function. This is the mathematical description of a particle's state in superposition. The double-slit experiment is often cited as evidence for the observer effect in quantum mechanics. This experiment shows that light and matter can exhibit characteristics of both waves and particles. Even more intriguingly, the pattern formed by particles passing through two slits changes depending on whether or not their path is observed. While the double-slit experiment demonstrates the observer effect, it doesn't necessarily prove that consciousness is the ultimate observer. However, it does raise intriguing questions about the role of the observer in shaping reality. Some theories propose that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, like space and time. Others suggest that the brain itself operates on quantum principles. They argue that quantum processes within neurons could give rise to consciousness. Section 5. Ancient Echoes Spirituality's Quantum Resonance. The idea that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality is not limited to modern science. It has been a recurring theme in various spiritual traditions for centuries. Eastern philosophies such as Hinduism and Buddhism have long emphasized the interconnectedness of all things. They teach that consciousness is the ultimate reality. The material world is an illusion or Maya. In ancient Indian philosophy, the concept of Brahman refers to the ultimate reality, the cosmic consciousness that permeates all of existence. Individual consciousness, or Atman, is seen as a drop from the ocean of Brahman. When we realize our true nature as Atman, we merge back into the ocean of Brahman. These ancient teachings resonate with the findings of modern physics. Quantum entanglement, for example, provides a scientific correlate to the interconnectedness emphasized in many spiritual traditions. The idea that we are all part of a single universal consciousness takes on a new meaning in light of these discoveries. Section 6. A paradigm shift, implications for reality and beyond. The convergence of science and spirituality in the realm of consciousness has profound implications for our understanding of reality. If consciousness is indeed fundamental, it could revolutionize fields such as psychology, medicine, and technology. In psychology, the consciousness quantum connection could lead to new therapies for mental health. It suggests that our minds are not confined to the physical limitations of our brains. We may be able to tap into a deeper level of consciousness to heal trauma and promote well-being. In medicine, understanding the quantum nature of consciousness could lead to breakthroughs in treating diseases. If consciousness can influence matter at the subatomic level, we may be able to harness this power for healing. The technological implications are equally profound. Quantum computing, for example, seeks to harness the principles of quantum mechanics to create exponentially faster computers. Imagine the possibilities if we could build computers that tapped into the power of consciousness. Section 7. The Quantum Mirror, reflecting on our own consciousness. The exploration of consciousness and its connection to the quantum realm is more than a scientific endeavor, it's a journey of self-discovery. It invites us to look within and question the nature of our own existence. If the act of observation can influence the behavior of particles, what does this say about the power of our thoughts and intentions? Could it be that our thoughts create our reality in ways we are only beginning to understand? The quantum world is full of mystery and wonder. It challenges our assumptions about the nature of reality. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of consciousness, we may find that the greatest discovery of all is the universe within ourselves. The journey begins with a single question: who are we, and what is our place in this vast, interconnected cosmos?